Proof of NIBIRU? NASA is monitoring huge object heading towards the Earth next month. NASA's close eye on the space rock is proof NIBIRU, also known as Planet X, is real, according to theories. Some have linked the planet to an asteroid called 2012 TC4, which is due to make a staggeringly close pass of Earth on October 12. NASA Earth defense specialists are closely monitoring the close approach of the asteroid. Conspiracy theory channel Igor Kryten posted a video entitled "Wow, NIBIRU guys were right. NASA just confirmed it's coming October 12" on YouTube. In a promotional blurb the channel wrote, "Wow, NIBIRU fears were right, something huge from deep space coming to Earth, and it is coming closer than distance between New York and Tokyo." On October 12, New Yorkers will be closer to the object 2012 TC4 than to Tokyo. It will come thousands of times closer to Earth than feared Francesca mega asteroid. NASA claims the asteroid has nothing to do with NIBIRU, which NASA claims in an internet hoax. However, 2012 TC4 is as big as a tower block and traveling towards us at more than 40,000 miles per hour. The space rock is believed to be bigger than the Chelyabinsk meteor, which exploded above Russia, damaging thousands of buildings and injuring 1,500 people. NASA is convinced it will not impact, but say it will skim Earth at a distance of about 4,200 miles, which is a cat's whisker as astronomical terms. Asteroid 2012 TC4 is estimated to be between 10 and 30 meters, 30 and 100 feet, and will pass by Earth on October 12. The 20-meter Chelyabinsk meteor exploded in the atmosphere above the Russian city unexpectedly on February 15, 2013. No space agency had any idea it was approaching before the explosion ripped through the air. About 26 to 33 times as much energy as that released from the atomic bomb detonated at Hiroshima was released. Most injuries sustained were from flying broken glass from buildings damaged by the strength of the explosion. NASA scientists are aware of the pass of the larger 2012 TC4 and said they were excited about what could be learned from it. A spokesman said, they plan to use its upcoming October close approach to Earth as an opportunity not only for science, but to test NASA's network of observatories and scientists who work with planetary defense. Even though scientists cannot yet predict exactly how close it will approach, they are certain it will come no closer than 4,200 miles, 6,800 kilometers, from the surface of Earth. Michael Kelly, program scientist and NASA headquarters lead for the TC4 observation campaign, said, "Scientists have always appreciated knowing when an asteroid will make a close approach to and safely pass the Earth because they can make preparations to collect data to characterize and learn as much as possible about it. This time we are adding in another layer of effort, using this asteroid flyby to test the worldwide asteroid detection and tracking network, assessing our capability to work together in response to finding a potential real asteroid threat." Scientists from NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, NEOS, at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, have determined that it could even pass much farther away, as far as 170,000 miles, 270,000 kilometers, or 2/3 of the distance from Earth to the Moon. These calculations are based on only 7 days of tracking 2012 TC4 after it was discovered on October 5, 2012, by the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, PAN-STARRS, from Helcala on the island of Maui, Hawaii. Further observations are needed to more precisely determine the asteroid's orbit, which has been out of range of telescopes since 2012. The spokesman added, "Asteroid 2012 TC4 may be slightly larger than the space rock that hit Earth's atmosphere near Chelyabinsk, Russia, in February 2013. As it starts to approach Earth this summer, large telescopes will be used to detect it and re-establish the asteroid's precise trajectory. The new observations are expected to help refine knowledge about its orbit, narrowing the uncertainty about how far it will be from Earth at its closest approach in October." Paul Chodas, manager of the NIBIRU at JPL, said, "This is the perfect target for such an exercise because while we know the orbit of 2012 TC4 well enough to be absolutely certain it will not impact Earth, we haven't established its exact path just yet. It will be incumbent upon the observatories to get a fix on the asteroid as it approaches, and work together to obtain follow-up observations that make more refined asteroid orbit determinations possible." The NIBIRU theory is that a mini-solar system consisting of a sun, planets and moons is lurking on the edge of our solar system with the huge orbit of the sun. NIBIRU believers are convinced the rogue system is making its way from the outer solar system inwards, where it will wreak havoc on Earth as it passes at about 4 million miles away, but causes the poles to switch and great earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. It emerged in 1976, when writer Zecharia Sitchin claimed that two ancient Middle Eastern cultures, the Babylonians and Sumerians, told of a giant planet NIBIRU that orbited the Sunday. The NIBIRU story was linked to the beginning of the end of the world by Christian fundamentalists, who believed the rapture would start on September 23 and was connected to celestial activity as interpreted from passages in the Bible. The Igor Krian channel is unverified, and in its About section on YouTube page says it was created by a former spy to protect humans and animals, prevent World War III and New World Order.